Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke, and if you're new here then hi, nice to meet you. I make coffee and stuff, so if you're interested in that then you should just subscribe and join the family. You know, we're growing. Thank you guys so much for over 500 subscribers. It's amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Welcome. If you guys have any video suggestions, just leave them down below and I will do my best to make them. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Irish cream cold brew. I went to World Market the other day because one near me was like shutting down and they had these packs of Monin coffee syrups and one of the flavors is Irish cream. So I figured I should put it to good use and show you guys how to make an Irish cream cold brew. If you guys are interested in learning how to do that, then what you're going to need is some heavy cream. I always use organic Trader Joe's heavy cream. It's the cheapest near me. But as I say in all of my other videos that I use heavy cream or dairy, you can always use a dairy substitute, almond milk, coconut milk, a mixture of the two, oat milk. I know there's a lot of creamer options, so feel free to explore into that category if you don't drink dairy. But you're going to need some kind of cream, an Irish cream syrup. Like I said, I got mine at World Market. I'll link it down below. I'm sure they have them online. The whole pack was like 10 bucks or something, and it came with like 5, so I think that's a pretty good deal. And Monin's a pretty good syrup. This is a syrup they use at Pete's. I know because like I worked there for about a year and it's pretty good. I'll link the set that I bought from World Market in the description. And then I'll also put like a couple options from Amazon down there as well if you can't get access to the World Market website for some reason. So yeah. Then you're going to need a milk frother. I'm going to use my Keurig milk frother. You can also use like one of the handheld ones, and you can also froth milk with a French press. There's a couple ways you can froth milk without a milk frother. That's going to be one of my next videos because I feel like a lot of people don't have access to a milk frother and it would be helpful to them if they knew how to do it without one. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know because I'm pretty sure I'm going to film that pretty soon. But yeah. With all that being said, if you're interested in learning how to do it, then just keep watching. So you're going to need cold brew. Obviously I didn't mention that before, but like Irish cream cold brew, you're going to need cold brew. If you don't know how to make cold brew, just click on one of my other videos. I'll link it up here somewhere so that way you can learn how to make it. It's pretty easy. And if you have any questions on that video about like how to make it or like the exact measurements, just leave it in the comments and I'll respond to you. I respond to like everybody's comment right when I get them, so definitely do that if you have any questions. So I'm going to take some heavy cream and I'm going to take the syrup and I'm going to pour it into my milk frother. Like I said, you can also use a French press for this. You're just going to put the milk and the cream in there and just start pumping the French press and it's going to make it foamy. And if you have one of those handheld milk frothers, everybody knows what I'm talking about, like they're so common. You can use one of those as well. Or you can just use like one of these. Yeah? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm going to zoom in as per every video so you can see what's going on a little better. So I have a band-aid on my pinky, don't mind that. I cut my finger while I was opening some boxes for work. So yeah, I'm going to shake the heavy cream. And then, can you see? Okay, I'm going to pour, like, I feel like you can't see. Is that good? It's like not the best angle, I'm sorry. I'm going to pour like a good amount. 1, 2, 3. Maybe a little more. Okay, I'm going to say like 4 or 5 tablespoons of heavy cream or whatever cream you're using into your frother. You can always add more, but just know that it's almost going to double in size because the frothing is going to make it a lot thicker. Now I'm going to take the Irish cream syrup. This is what it looks like if you were curious. If it would focus, that'd be ideal. This is what it looks like. It's just a tiny little bottle. It's super cute. I'm going to take it and pour in, let's see. It might have been a lot, but like 4 seconds. Probably like 2 tablespoons of syrup. I didn't pour that much, it just looked like it. Probably like 2 tablespoons of your Irish cream syrup into the frother. And from here, I'm just going to start the frother, and if you have one of these, I'm going to run it twice, so that way it just gets super thick and creamy. If you're going to use a handheld frother, just froth it until it's like pretty thick. So as per usual with these videos, I zoomed in into the cup so you can really see everything happening. I got these new ice cubes and they're freaking huge. They're like massive. No, okay. So I'm going to take the cream that I made and I'm just going to pour it into here. As you can see, it's like super thick. Now, I'm going to pour the cold brew in. Like I said, if you guys need a cold brew recipe, just click on my videos previously and I'm sure that that can help you out a little more. I feel like my hair is just a little wild today, but we're just gonna bear with her, okay? She's having a weird day, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try it without a straw first because technically that's how you're supposed to drink cold brew, is just like, so you get the cream and then the cold brew, you know, but whatever. This bomb. Can't lie to you, I was having a little bit of a rough start to this video. As I was setting up, my ring light literally fell right on top of my table with like all of my glass like jars and cups and stuff, and I had a bit of a moment. I was a little frustrated. But this coffee's making it a lot better. My day just turned around. It's good. It's really good. I don't understand why people are paying the caffeine's kicking in. I don't know why people pay like $6 at Starbucks when you can pay like $10 for a whole pack of like small syrups and make anything you could imagine at home for literally so much more affordable, like so much cheaper to make it at home, and it tastes so much better, and you can just add as much extra foam as you like, extra sweet foam, and nobody's charging you for it, you know? Good. With all of that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again so much for all of the new subscribers. Thank you guys. Welcome. Hello. Thank you for watching. I'm glad that you're interested in seeing what I have to say, or at least the recipes that I make. I don't know if you care what I say, but you care about the drinks, and I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I appreciate it. This is really good. Irish cream cold brew at home. Really good. The Monin syrups are really nice. I would definitely recommend that one. But as I said, if you don't have access to that site, or if you don't have access to getting that syrup specifically, I'm sure there's one on Amazon you can get. I'll look some up and link them down below to try and help you guys out as well. And yeah, as for always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave any comments down below if you have any video recommendations or recipes you'd like to see. I will try and make them to the best of my ability. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are.